Good morning, students. How are you all? Yes, beta. Welcome in science class. Today, as you know that we have completed lesson 7, adaptation animals. We have completed the reading of lesson 7, adaptation in animals. Now today we will do exercise of lesson 7. Okay, that is on page number 80, 80, 81. Okay, and also the activity file. That is on page number 82. Okay, beta. Exercise of lesson 7, adaptation in animals. Question number 1. A ka first part. You have to tick the right option. Which option is right? You have to put a tick mark in front of that answer. First, the process in which one organism changes itself to suit the surrounding is known as. You write the name of the process in which one organism changes itself to suit the surrounding is known as growth or adaptation. So right answer is adaptation. Okay, beta. Now second, rabbit lives in a dash, burrow or den. Where rabbit live? Rabbit live in a burrow. So write here tick mark. Third, fishes have dash which help them to move in water. Fishes have dash, okay, which help them to move in water or which help them to swim in water. Paddle or fins. So fishes have fins. Paddle किसके होते हैं बेटा? Turtle की. Paddle like flippers. The turtle having paddle like flippers that help turtle to swim in water. Fishes have fins. Now fourth, a deer has dash which help it to run. Deer has legs or hooves. So deer has legs. Okay, beta. Now the dash animal have streamlined bodies. Which animals have streamlined bodies? Aquatic or terrestrial? The right answer is aquatic. Okay. So this is your tick the right option. First answer is adaptation. Second answer is burrow. Third, fins. Fourth, legs. And fifth, aquatic. Now B part. Fill in the blanks from the option given below. There are some options. With the help of these options, you have to fill the blanks. But in exam, no option will be given to you. Okay, beta. So learn the fill in the blanks without option. First, beta, the natural home of an animal is called its dash. The home of an animal is called its habitat. Habitat, habitat. Now next, aquatic animals have streamlined bodies. Which bodies? Streamlined. What type of bodies aquatic animal have? Streamlined bodies. Streamlined. Okay. Now third, dash have brown coats in summer but grow white fur in winter. Which animal have brown coat in summer? Arctic foxes. Arctic foxes. ARCTIC, Arctic foxes. Okay, beta. Now fourth, frog and toads are dash blooded. Frog and toads are cold blooded. That means they cannot bear very cold weather. Okay, so frog and toads are cold blooded. Fifth, dash have spines to protect them from enemies. Which animal have spines? Yes, porcupines. 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 Okay, beta. Now third, give one word for the following. C part hai beta, this is the C part. Give one word for the following. Okay, so you have to give one word. Now the process in which an organism changes itself to suit the surrounding. You know it very well. That is adaptation. ADPTATION, adaptation. Adaptation is a process in which an organism changes itself to suit the surrounding. Now second, the natural home of an animal. That is habitat. HABITAT, habitat. Third, animals that live both on land and in water. The animals that live both on land and water. Which animal that live both on land and water? That is Amphibians. 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 Now fourth, the animals that have spines for protection. Which animal has spines for protection? That is porcupines. 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 Now fourth, the only mammal that can fly. Which animal can fly? Which animal? Which mammals that can fly? That is bat. Bat is the only mammal. Mammal क्या होता है बेटा? The animal that give birth to young ones. And bat is the only mammal that can fly. Otherwise, animal that can fly lays egg. Okay, beta. Now D part. Classify the following animals according to their habitat. Okay, there are some animals, picture of some animals. You have to write the name of their habitat, not the name of the animals. You have to write the name of the habitat. Okay, where they live. Now, this is snake. That is terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animal है ना? ठीक है? तो यहाँ क्या होगा? Terrestrial animals. Now, this is crab. Aquatic animal. Okay. Third, this is Arctic tern. That is aerial animal that fly in air. Aerial animal. And fourth, squirrel. That is arboreal animal that live on the branches of the tree. So first is terrestrial, second is aquatic, third is aerial, and fourth is arboreal. Right, correct spelling beta. Now E part, match the following. Here are some pictures. You have to match A column to B. Okay. First क्या है बेटा? What is the name of this animal? Porcupines. They have spines. So you have to put one in front of spine. Write one. Spines. Second क्या है? Fish. Fish have fins. Fins, fins. Third is snake. Snake have scales. Scales, scales. Okay. And fourth is chameleon. That is camouflage. Their skin color match with the surrounding and they follow the property of camouflage. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, beta. Complete. Now F part. Write true or false. First is terrestrial animals have streamlined bodies. Terrestrial animals have streamlined bodies? No. False. Which animal has streamlined bodies? Aquatic animals have streamlined bodies. Aerial animals have streamlined bodies. Okay. Now second. Frogs and toads are cold-blooded animals. That is true. They are cold-blooded animals. They cannot bear very cold weather. They live with, that is why they go to winter sleep. That is hibernation. Now third, animals that live on land are known as aquatic animal. No, that is false. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animal. Okay, beta. Now fourth, the paddle-like limbs of a turtle help it to swim. That is true. Turtle having paddle-like limbs. Okay, paddle-like flippers that help to swim in water. That is true. Aquatic animals have lungs to respire. Aquatic animals have lungs? No. Aquatic animals have gills. So right here, false. So first is false, second is true, third is false, fourth is true, and fifth is false. Okay, beta. Now activity file, that is on page number 82. Here are some picture of the animals. You have to write the correct name here in this blank. Okay. 2 terrestrial animals. 2 terrestrial animals, the animal that live on land. So here the picture is camel and snake. So write here camel and snake. Second, 2 aquatic animals, animal that live in water. So the aquatic animal is crab and turtle. This is crab and this is turtle. Crab, C-R-A-B, crab and turtle. 2 amphibians. Amphibians are those that live on land and water both. So the picture are frog and salamander. Frog and salamander. So write here frog and salamander. 2 aerial animals. Aerial animals that fly in air. So here it is bat and Arctic tern. B-A-T, bat and Arctic tern. ARCTIC, Arctic tern. Okay. 2 arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are those that spend most of their time on the branches of the trees. That is monkey and squirrel. Monkey and squirrel. Okay, beta. You have to learn you have to write page number 80, 81 and activity file that is on 82. That is on page number 82. You have to write and learn all the exercise. This is your homework. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.